Hi, I am Subham. Welcome back to my channel with another video. Today I am on silver micro chart and this is today's range of trading. Check out the chart first. Price trend is negative. CCI on positive trend as you can see on this chart. RSI chart also on positive trend. Let's check the breakout level of CCI indicator. Middle hook on CCI indicator, also the dot area of middle line means zero line. Let's check the price. It's near 62935 area. High made near 63114. Another chart with reverse trade. CCI negative divergence. Let's check the price 63458. And low made approximate 63364. Now check out the another prediction. Price positive trend and CCI negative trend. And almost ready to break. If break the level of CCI, then it will be on downside. Two trade give you a small paper trading profit. First trade 180 points and second trade 100 points above. Let's check another time frame chart for silver micro chart. .30 ons chart showing another level trade for those who are interested to gain maximum points from the trade. CCI is showing positive divergence. Price on negative trend. Middle hook under zero line breakout done as per condition. Buy indication at 63127 area. And it's hit the 63386 area and more. It's 250 and more points profit from silver micro stocks. And now see the prediction of the last day. Enjoy the trade and tricks. That's all for the day. This is the best tricks, which is called positive CCI divergence. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.